Alright, this is an example for section 4.2, and it says find the values of the numbered angles. And there are three triangles in this picture, and we've got to find the measures of angles 1, 2, and 3. Alright, again, when I told you in the video that you should always start with angle 1, so that's where we're going to start here. We're going to start with angle 1. Okay, it is inside of a triangle, and we know that this angle is 68 and this angle is 121. Well, 121 and this angle here are supplementary. So we could say 180 minus 121 equals 59, and that's the measure of this angle here. Okay? 59. That's not angle 1, but that's the third angle in the triangle. Now that we know that there are three angles of the triangle, we have angle 1 and the other two angles, well, we can add 68 and 59, and 68 plus 59 is 127, and 180 minus 127 is 53. And that would be the measure of angle 1, okay? 53 degrees. Okay, so we had to do a couple things before we could actually find it. It's not as straightforward as it was in the example in our notes. Okay, to find angle 2, well, we know that it's vertical angles with the 59 that we've already found. So let's write vertical angles here, so we know that would be our reason, and it's 59 degrees. Okay. Angle 3 is in this triangle up here, and notice that we've got a perpendicular mark, which means that's 90 degrees, and then we have the other two angles congruent, which means they have to be the same. So we would do 180 minus 90, which gives us 90, and that's got to be split between those two other angles, and since they're congruent, we divide it by 2, and we get 45 degrees. So there's angle 3. Okay, now that's a typical example of what you'd see. Hopefully it cleared up any questions. Remember those ideas of vertical angles and supplementary, that there's 180 degrees at a triangle. We didn't use the exterior angle here. We could have. We could have used it with the 121 and finding angle 1, but we did it a different way, which is how most of you are going to solve it, using the other idea. It's okay to use that exterior angle theorem. Again, it's a shortcut, but you can take a longer way around it if it makes more sense to you. Okay, so if you have any questions on this, be sure to bring them to class.